And fundamental to Telstra is about innovation and being at the forefront of finding new ways to apply technology to real everyday issues, be it in business or in life. So with this wonderful Sagem's handset, we now can actually process a payment. It's about making things easier. One of the things for all of us in technology is it can be too complicated. It can be, too many screens to go through, it's too convoluted, and so the mantra of one click, one touch, one button is so important in terms of making a simple experience for the consumer. So when you start thinking about what the mobile phone can be used for, it is very exciting because it actually opens up a whole raft of new opportunities.
So for us, this is another wonderful innovation, giving customers choice about how they manage their money. And we've really seen this convergence of choice around customer services for banking converging around the mobile phone. So several years ago we launched, and it was an Australian first at that time, an SMS payments security service, providing more and more security around internet banking. Earlier this year we launched SMS mobile services around transacting over your phone. There are services around alerts, and today we launched this Australian first with Telstra and Visa around bringing mobile phone to the payment system as well.
This is very fast. I mean, this is not something that takes a long time to do because these phones have what we call the Visa PayWave feature application in them. And Visa PayWave is a contactless payment device. The average contactless transaction takes around 4 seconds. Now just to prove it, I went and bought this Apple before, believe it or not, with that trusty phone. It cost me $1.30 actually, which I thought was a pretty expensive Apple. But I did the transaction well within 4 seconds, no need for signature, and also no need to take a receipt if I don't want one. So perfect for those small value payments and those quick payments we were just talking about before, without having to fumble for the cash, the coins and everything like that.
I think particularly when you're talking about two big organisations like Telstra and NAB, it's been really exciting to see how well they've worked together. I think the truth is pretty much in the testimony when you look out there today and you see transactions happening at merchants with mobile phones, and we talk about it being Australian first, and it definitely is.
I think they have a very strong vision of putting all the application on a SIM-based solution, and this is essentially the first in the world to do over-the-air remote download of application into a SIM-based for NFC phone.
What they've done is they've provided resources, technical knowledge, insight, a lot of shared intellectual property, joint teaming, consolidated governance structures, all of the things that will help to deliver the convergence of a solution here around financial services and media communications.
Particularly impressed me with this whole thing was the whole notion of getting a big organisation like Telstra and NAB and Visa together, all working together with the key technology vendors, is simply outstanding because that's a very difficult thing to do and obviously taken quite some time to pull together.
Because it's new technology, everyone is obviously very excited as well, so they're very eager to use it, and it's all over before they know it, so it works very well, it's very efficient.